Hello, in this video we will learn how to add a favicon to the web page. Basically favicon help you to find the actual tab that you are looking for whenever you have opened several tabs in your browser. So that favicon will help you to find that page that you are looking for. Okay, so let's start how to add. Open the Visual Studio Code and you need to insert an image in your folder and add a link tag in the head section and remove this style sheet value from here and write here icon and define that path of that image here in the href section, and that is a favicon.jpg, and define here the type of that image, that is image, and that format. Okay, now run this code and you will able to see that favicon. So this is basically the favicon next to the title of that web page. Okay, but the issue is that whenever you will run your web page in different devices like tab and mobile phone and the desktop browser, so this one line of code is not sufficient here. So for running on the several devices, the favicon size will be also changed. So it is recommended to use an online favicon generator, so that will be good for you. Type here favicon generator and this is the a good website, realfavicongenerator.net, so you can go with this and you have to choose here the image. So this is the image that I want, so it is generating that favicon. So continue with this picture, click on this option and see you are seeing that this is showing how your favicon will be visible to the different device, that on mobile phone, desktop and the desktop browsers, and that iOS devices. If you are using favicon as an application, so that will be visible like this, and for Android phone, so this is, you can see something like that. You can see in the Safari, Mac OS, you can see that will be display like this. Okay, so now generate your favicons and HTML code. Click on this and you can see after some time it will generate an HTML code. So see this, it has been generated. Simply copy these lines of codes and add to your HTML code. Remove this and paste that code. So indent this line of code for good looking. Now download the package from here, favicon package, and that package will be a zip folder. Now you have to do one thing, and that is wherever you have downloaded that zip file, unzip that folder extract all. So this folder has been extracted. Now cut this folder from here and keep in your project file. Simply paste that folder here. And you can also rename this folder, like I'm writing here Favicon simply. Okay, and now if you will run this code, so it is not working here. Simply copy this link, and if you will run here, that you can see that favicon has been vanished from here. Why? Because I have removed that line of code from here, and I have used these line of code that is generated by online favicon generator, and I have also keep that file here, but the path is wrong. You can see you have to insert here path, and the name of the folder is Favicon. So enter the path, Favicon. Also here and also here. So now all set. Now you can see the favicon is showing here, because I have corrected that wrong path here, because this image is in this folder, this favicon folder, and you have set this image in the wrong path. So whenever you will download that zip folder, you have to unzip that folder and keep in this project file, and here correct the path of that image. So basically this image is generated for Apple device, and as well as web browser, mobile phone. So see, you can see here, this is for Safari, this is for web manifest. So that's why it is recommended to use that online favicon generator. That will be helpful for you to run that favicon all the devices, on the different devices, that will be able to accept that image size and will show you the correct image size on that web page. So I hope you got this, that how to add a favicon to your web page using the appropriate method. You can also use the one line of code, but that is not good for the different mobile devices, different desktop devices, and the other web browsers. So thank you for watching this video. Let's see in the next video with the new topic.